Now students, in the question number 2 we will do the simplify. How will you simplify the three fractions? Let's see. Here first is 2 by 3 multiply 5 by 44 multiply by 33 by 35. Now you have to check the simplification. Which simplification always possible in the cross form or standing lines. Okay students, that means numerator by denominator in this form, numerator by denominator, either numerator denominator, numerator denominator. Okay, in equal sign it's not possible. That means suppose it is numerator, it is also numerator, and it's denominator and denominator. That means numerator cannot be simplified by numerator, and denominator also cannot be simplified by denominator. Now here is 2 and 44. There the common factor is 2. That means it can be cut on 2. On the table of 2, 2 is on 1 and 44 is on 22. And after that you have to check, here is 22 and 33. Both can be divisible on the table of 11. On the table of 11, 22 is on 2 and 33 is on 3. After that again check in the cross form. Here is 5 and 35. 5 is divisible on 1 and 35 is on 7. Now check in the cross form. 1 and 2 not possible. 1 and 7 not possible. 1 and 3 not possible. 3 and 3 yes, because on the table of 3 both can be divisible on the same table. It's clear. Now there is no common factor in the numerator and denominator. You have to write the product of their numerator. 1 multiply 1 multiply by 1. Here is product of denominator. 1 multiply 2 multiply by 7. 1 1s are 1 and here is 1 2s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So 1 by 14 is your answer. Now we will do the B part here. Here all fractions are in mixed fraction. All fractions are in mixed fraction. So first you have to write 1 4 by 7 multiply 1 13 by 22. There is 1 1 by 15. So first how will you solve? You have to change a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here is 1 7 the 7, 7 plus 4. That is 11 by 7 multiply 122 is a 22 plus 13, that is 35 by 22. 115 is a 15 plus 1 16 by 15. Now you have to again cancel it in the numerator and denominator. On the table of 11 it's on 1 and 22 on 2. Now here is 7 and 35. On the table of 7 it's on 1, 35 on 5. Now again check in cross. Here is 2 and 16. 2 goes on 1 and 16 is on 8. 5 and 15. 5 is on 1 and 15 is on 3. Now there is no common factor among the numerator and denominator. So how will you do? Multiply all numerator. Here is 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 8. Here is 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 3. The जो लिविंग रिजल्ट है वो हम यहाँ पर लिख देंगे. 1 1 is 1 multiply by 8. Here is 3. Now बच्चे, this is a improper fraction. Whenever you have an answer in improper fraction, then what will you do? Then you have to change in mixed fraction. Here is 8 and here is 3. On the table of 3, 8 6 on 2. 8 is not possible, so here is 2. That means the mixed fraction is 2 by 3. So this is your answer. Now here we will discuss one more example. Again this is a mixed fraction. So how will you solve? Firstly you have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 16s are 48. 48 plus 1, that is here is 49 by 16 multiply 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3, that is 52 by 7. Here is 139 is a 39. 39 plus 25, that is 64 by 39. Now again you have to check in the cross form. Is it possible to simplify it? Yes. 7 and 49. Here it is 1, and on the table of 7, 49 goes on 7. Now here is 16 and 15 2. Here the highest common factor is, that is a 4. So on the table of 4, 16 goes on 4, that you will write here. And 52, how will you check the 52? First you have to check the 5. 5 is not divisible on table of 4, so you have to take 4. 4 is divisible on 1, that means you have to write 1. Now 5 minus 4, 1. 1 is a remainder, so you have to take 1 to 12. 12 goes on the table of 4, that is a 13. So 13 will come here. Okay. Now again you have to check in the cross. Here is 13 and 39. 13, the table of 13, 39 goes on 3 and 13 on 1. Now check in 3 and 7, not possible. 3 and 1, not possible. Here is 4 and 1, not possible. 1 and 64, no. 4 and 64, yes. On the table of 4, 4 goes on 1 and 64. Again you have to follow the same method. 16 4s are 64. You have to write, or you can also divide by the same method as we have done earlier. Now there is a no common factor in this. So what you have to take, here is 7, 1, 16, here is 1, 1, 3. So 7 16s, that is 112, and here is 3. So this is a improper fraction. That means you have to change in mixed fraction. Here is 112, here is 11 is goes, no, that means 9. 9 is on 3. 11 minus 9, here is 22, is 21. 21 goes on, yes, is. So how will you write? Here is a quotient, remainder by divisor. So this is the answer. This is the way to solve all types of fraction and how to find the product of fractions